Hi, I'm Bill Kennedy with Mattei Air Compressors. We're here at the 2019 Compressor Best Practices EXPO, and here in our booth we're highlighting our Blade 8i, which is a variable frequency drive controlled machine with integrated air dryer, sized for the most severe temperatures of the day. Mattei just had its 100th anniversary, been making the vane technology since the 1950s. And this is a quiet cabinet. It's on a tank. It's got the dryer, gives you great quality air right from the get-go. And in here, you can see the heart and soul of the machine. This is the vane compressor pump, your air filter, easily accessible coupling element here. It's easily changeable spin-on filters, which is something new for the Mattei family, make it easier for the customers to take care of the machines. The equipment is used in all types of applications, body shops, manufacturing facilities, amusement parks, hospital, I mean, you name it. Basically anywhere you can use any other brand of type of compressor, you can use the vane. And we pretty much are the only game in town that does the vane technology on a full-time serious basis. What it's noted for is there are no bearings in the pump, runs on 2 white metal Babbitt bushings, direct drive, no gears, no belts, and the longevity on it is second to none because there's none of the thrust forces that the competing technologies have to deal with. So it's kind of one of those machines you could buy it and you could buy your last air compressor first. The I-Series basically runs from 10 horsepower to 275 horsepower. This is the next generation of product for Mattei. It has simpler maintenance capabilities on it. Still has got the legendary compressor pump in it with the no bearings. We're one of the slowest machines on the market. Our speeds are typically a quarter of what the other people turn their machines at. Well, the value of lower speed on a Mattei means greater energy efficiency, as we actually get better as we turn our speed down, and longevity. When you think about an engine, if the engine's running at high speed versus slow speed, the slow speed product will last much longer than the high speed product. So the pump is much bigger than what most other people use. So in one rotation, we produce more air than anybody else, basically. This generation is actually being introduced here at the show. We're getting ready to launch it. It's not officially on the street yet, so you're actually seeing the first product before it launches. This product should be available to the market in the next 60 to 90 days. So by the end of the year, this will be in full production. Our traditional designs used a large cast iron casing, and everything was machined inside the casing. So the casing was very expensive. So what we did was we got rid of the casing and the cost of it, and then set the machine up much like the other people do, and eliminating the cost of the casting was a significant reduction on our costs, which then makes us more competitive in the market. The 8i is a 10 horsepower variable speed drive controlled machine. Puts out about 40 cubic feet a minute at 100 pounds of pressure. Speed range is anywhere from like 900 RPM to 1800 RPM. So it's, like I say, considerably slower. To put it in perspective, most competitors in this horsepower size are typically running 4,000 to 6,000 RPM on the machines. So it's a huge difference in speed, the efficiency, and the longevity. The blade right now is set to be from 10 to 30 horsepower. There's talk of maybe going to 60 horsepower. Our bigger designs already incorporate this casting less design. So, but the smaller ones under 60 horsepower have always had the full casting. So like literally what we're doing is we're taking the smaller machines, which have an older design, and bringing them up to the design of the new machines that are the bigger machines. It helps with cost reduction. It's easier for maintenance, simpler to get filters on and off. So there's a lot of advantages to the end user that, the people that have the machines love the machines. This will just give them one more reason, if you will, to love them more.